Welcome to Amed, a quiet fishing village located on the east coast of Bali, known for its stunning views, laid-back vibe and underwater experiences. In today's video, we'll show you a glimpse into Amed's underwater world, connect with some incredibly warm and welcoming locals, and share why this peaceful corner of Bali has completely stolen our hearts. But first, we're starting the day with a delicious coffee at our favourite breakfast spot. What a way to start the day. We just finished a delicious breakfast which only comes to 85,000, which is so affordable when you compare it to some other places in Bali. Now we're on our way to Lipah Beach to start the day with some incredible snorkelling, and we can't wait to show you exactly what's under the water here in Amed. So something crazy just happened, which is why I'm now walking. We were on the bike just about to pull into Lipah Beach, and this tourist on a bike come driving like so fast towards us, and he lost control and our bike crashed into the front of his bike. Those two on the bike fell off, they were laying on the floor, and luckily me and Sam didn't come off, but like we're a bit shaken up because we had an accident in Amed a few years ago, and yeah, this area is just renowned for bike accidents, so you've got to be really careful. But luckily we're okay.
Guys, we were so close. If I was going any faster...
Yeah, we always drive so slowly.
Slow, palan palan.
Palan palan. But there's
one thing we've learned in Amed, palan palan.
Yeah, very slowly. But there's a big ceremony going on behind us. There's a new baby born. So it happened right in front of there, and the people just come rushing out to see if we're okay, checked our bike, checked and give us water. And yeah, really sweet. Maybe we'll go and see if we can join in that ceremony later, right? Anyway, we're gonna get a sunbed and relax for a bit because we're still a bit shaky, and then we're gonna go snorkeling. Hello! How are you?
Good.
Good?
How are you?
Hello!
Nice to
I'll give you a hug. How are you?
Good.
Good?
You? Hey, my friend, how are you? Good.
Wayan!
Hello, cheers!
Hello! How are you?
Good.
Everyone meet Wayan. He's our friend from Lipah Beach. We've been here a few weeks already and we haven't made any videos because our hard drive was so full, but now we're finally making a video. But we befriended Wayan a few weeks ago and he looks after us every time we come here.
They have their own homemade gym here made out of bamboo. Okay, I'll give it a go.
That's so clever though, look at that.
We're going to relax on some sunbeds. It is 100,000 for 2 beds for the entire day. And look at this view.
And the sea is high tide right now, and the wind apparently isn't too strong, so it should be really good conditions for us to show you guys. Usually the snorkel mask and gear to rent here is 70,000, but because we're friends with him and we've been with him so many times, he said he was going to give it to us for 50 each.
Yeah?
Yeah, bless him. I said you don't have to do that, and he said no, you're my sister. So yeah, so cute.
Hello.
Let's see. Oh, these are cute.
Thank you, my friend. So we met Wayan about 2 weeks ago. He sold us these beds and we just started talking to him, and then we realised that everyone in Amed are just so cool.
Yeah, and he's been teaching us bits of
Little
bahasa,
yeah.
and trying to get rid of his rolling R.
Yeah.
Which we cannot do.
We cannot do the rolling R.
He's been trying to teach us it, but it's so hard.
Yeah.
And all of his friends that work on this beach are just so lovely.
They are.
And they make their living from selling the sunbeds, and they only sell them for 100,000, which is really good price for the whole day. So definitely come to this beach, grab yourself a sunbed.
And ask for Wayan.
ask for Wayan.
They'll look after you.
Although everyone in Bali is called Wayan.
Oh yeah, okay.
So it's quite difficult to find him. But you've got his face on this video.
Yeah.
Look for him.
I think he's the only Wayan on this beach.
And now we're going to head into the water to see what we can find. Are you ready?
Ria, we need to introduce our new friends.
Oh, yeah. So we've met 2 fellow YouTubers who are going to be joining us on the snorkel to go and see some turtles.
And we're going to tag them in the description below.
Say hello.
Jai and Sheridan.
Let's go.
There's no one here but me right now. Got the whole ocean. Just me and the turtle. Unbelievable experience. Oh my god. Guys, when I heard the snorkeling was good in Amed, I had no idea it was that good.
It was absolutely stunning. I would say even more stunning than the Maldives.
I'd agree.
Which is crazy.
We saw 4 turtles.
So on the right hand side of the beach you've got beautiful coral garden with loads of fish, and then on the left you can see the turtles, and there was no plastic. It was just absolutely stunning. Highly recommend.
Now we're going to head for lunch with our new YouTuber friends, and we're going to go and see
Warong Dodo.
Warong Dodo.
Warong Dodo is our favourite warong in Amed. It's a little bit far outside of the centre, but it's totally worth it, and you'll see why when we get there.
Let's go! Ayo!
Ayo!
Dodo!
Dodo! Hello!
How are you?
We make video today.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good? Where's
Good.
Dodo?
Dodo.
There.
There.
How are you, my darling?
I'm good, my sister.
My sister, you good?
I make this.
You make offering today?
Yeah, for
Ah.
tomorrow.
Ah, what's tomorrow?
Tomorrow good day.
Good day.
I don't know to introduce. I don't know.
Okay.
Complicate.
Hello. Oh, my darling.
Sheridan. I'll give you a hug.
Hello.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you too.
This woman makes the best salads, and it's so hard to find in Indonesia a good salad, but she makes them so well.
Salamat Makan.
Oh, I'm so buzzing.
Oh, so excited. Recommended by Sam.
Look at the sheer size of that bad boy.
Oh, pigs are so smart. Like, when I talk to them, they must know that.
So we've finished our enormous tempeh burgers, and now we're going to head back to the beach to catch some more burn.
We're going to relax for a little while before we take you to a really cool sunset spot tonight with a beautiful view of Mount Agung. I hope we get a good one.
Sorry, he looks so scrumptious.
Thank you for coming to Warung Dodo.
Sama-sama.
After such an incredible day snorkeling around the beaches of Amed, we are going to take you guys to the best sunset spot for a cocktail, and then we have a really cool surprise for you, so stay tuned for that. Let's go. Oh, I always get so nervous pulling out of our homestay on this road, because about 4 years ago, I think it was 4 years, oh my god, it was 4 years ago, Sam. Oh, I just got the most amount of dust in the ice. Oh my gosh. Anyway, 4 years ago we actually had our only ever motorbike accident on this road, and hopefully the last. It was really traumatic. It was during COVID and the road was super empty. We went to pull into our homestay, turned right, and a guy overtook us but on the wrong side and just crashed into us, and we all flew up in the air, and it was so scary. So just be really careful when you're driving around Amed, because the people here do drive more crazy than anywhere else in Bali, and I think it's because there's a lot of straight roads, so just be careful. Oh, thank you. Someone actually told us about this really cool thing that you can put your helmet in the bike seat to stop it being stolen.
Right, so you get the clip on your helmet, you find a little section like this, and then you just slide it in. So when you shut it, you can't get to your helmet, it won't get robbed.
Here we go.
Like ours did in Uluwatu that time. Pretty much got the whole place to ourselves. But when sunset comes, this place gets absolutely rammed.
In front of us you can see Amed Beach and you can see the most beautiful sunset from here, and if it's a good day you can see Mount Agung in the distance. It's just absolutely stunning, and they do really good drinks.
Yes, I highly recommend the rainbow cocktail. Unbelievable.
Yeah, they're made with Iraq, so the prices are really good. You have to look chantic at all times. Better?
Yes, Gantang.
Gantang. No, you're Gantang.
Sometimes.
Would you still love me if I was a fish?
Yeah,
Yeah?
definitely.
Better.
We've just seen that our usual spot here is freed up, so we're going to move.
It's got the best view of the mountain here. Cheers. I'm really excited for tonight, and I'm so excited to show you guys what we get up to. This is definitely going to be the best experience that you can ever have in Amed. Oh, I always feel so happy when we're in Amed. This place is just so beautiful. It feels so much more authentic than other places in Bali like Canggu and Uluwatu, where there's just so much construction and so many tourists and so many cars, and here it's just like a little slice of paradise.
It feels like when you arrive in Amed, you've kind of stepped out of a time machine to how Bali was maybe 2 decades ago. But yeah, it's there's no place like it, is there?
There's not.
in
You've
Bali?
got the sea, beautiful little fishing towns all along
Active
the coast.
volcanoes overlooking the whole village.
Beautiful nature all around. If you just
Yeah.
go for a drive in any direction, you're out in nature. It's just so beautiful. So yeah, we highly recommend you come to Amed. Please don't come with the intention of building any fancy beach clubs though, and making it as touristy as everywhere else.
Yeah, I'm actually begging, please don't do
Yeah,
that.
please don't. Keep this paradise the paradise it is.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
Enjoy it for what it is.
Mm.
A nice little peaceful place with nature all around and good cheap Iraq cocktails.
I'm not just saying this because we're vlogging, but that is honestly the best sunset we've seen in Amed, and we've been here 3 times already. Anyway guys, we're going to finish our 3rd cocktail of the evening and then head to our surprise spot.
All the time.
Ready?
The 3 cocktails may have gone to my head. Everything I do. Quick, 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 quick. Okay guys, so we are on our way to show you to the big surprise, the best thing that you can do in Amed. We can't wait to get there, and we'll show you everything soon. You guys are probably thinking what the hell is going on right now. It's pitch black and you're just walking along with a bag of ice.
So we didn't mention this, but it is a full moon tonight, which in Bali is quite a special thing. So yeah, there's a little hint of what we're doing. I can't see a thing.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
He's cooking us fish, freshly caught, and we're having a barbecue.
Hey.
I'm gonna do it for you guys.
Why is it so dark? You need my phone?
Hey.
We put my phone in a bag for the light because there's no light here.
Put the phone for the light.
Look at that.
You got enough battery this time?
I only got 50%, so when it dies we go home. Nice. We can't wait for our ikan.
So what fish do we have tonight?
Macro.
Hey.
If you want, I can show you. Coming.
Yes,
Go
sir.
on, go and have a look.
This macro.
Ooh.
Yeah, we are put the special bumbu.
Sambal.
Yeah. We are still make a fire on there.
And let's have a little look. We're making the fire
Yeah, making
with
fire.
the coconuts. So I have ikan bakar.
Ikan bakar.
Ikan bakar. Oh, I can't do this. Ikan bakar. So if you guys come to Amed and you're thinking, I want to do something different rather than go to all the local warongs or the cafes. I want to do something that's a little bit more authentic. You need to have an experience like this. We're literally standing on the beach under the full moon with the locals having some ikan bakar, which is barbecued fish. Looks like we've got the fire going.
I don't take shower here.
You haven't taken a shower? You smell it?
I smell like a fish.
You stink it?
like ikan.
Oh no.
This man, always hungover.
Hungover now?
Too much kissing last night.
Too much kissing? Hey! You've grown the chilies here?
Yeah,
Oh wow. That is so cool. No way.
this is not really spicy. The red one is spicy.
Wow.
Everything here we have.
Yeah. In Indonesia you have everything.
Everything, huh?
The best of everything. Good food, good people, good music, good cigarette.
Yeah, good cigarette. Okay, enough this, yeah?
Yeah?
Enough.
Let's see. Wow, that is so cool. What are you making?
Balinese sambal sauce
Oh, yummy.
With onion, garlic, chili, and some brown sugar.
Huh?
Chantik.
Cantik.
Chantik.
Tadi.
Look at this on a tree trunk. So cool.
Dah dua.
Sige!
Hey, how are you?
Baik!
Bagus.
Bagus. So Ziggy has joined us. He was with us last time we did this and it was so much fun. He brings all the tunes and all the good music and it's such a laugh.
Nice, good.
Hi, brother. My brother, different mother, different father.
Hey!
Oh my god, you're so destructive! And we have the can.
Sing.
We have-
Bye.
Please keep that away from me. I can just see it slicing off my head.
I'm crispy. Oh,
Oh,
Summer tomato.
look at this. Oh, look at
10 out of
that.
10.
Oh, it's done.
The best of the best. Creme de la creme.
The chef has done.
Hello.
I cannot believe you made that on a tree trunk.
yeah, we made it.
So cool. From chilies that grow back there, Sam.
Not
They
right.
grow the chilies
Yeah, we
there.
grow that over
It's
there.
insane. You make me look really white.
This will
Really
be live
pretty.
again. Yeah, because
Putty.
you are putty.
No, I don't want putty. I want chocolate.
Put it back in the sea.
Yeah. You tell them.
Served on a banana leaf, it doesn't get more authentic than that.
So before we eat, we will put out an offering and then we'll bless the food and then we can enjoy the ikan.
Okay.
Manugraha Martemisa Miwana Nama Swaha. Suksama.
Suksuma.
Suksuma.
Okay, enjoy.
Yay.
Salamat
Salamat
makan.
makan.
Let's do it.
And the stomach.
Okay, so we're going to give
Yeah,
this a
stomach
go with our hands. The only way to eat in Indonesia is with the right hand.
Right hand.
Bit of sambal on there. I'm never going to master this.
No.
Eating with my hand.
so hard.
With rice. But let's do it.
If you hot, just like tomato sauce.
Ow.
Enak. Enak.
Sambal.
Sambal?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe
Wow.
here.
The sambal is good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think the I make a video too.
Yeah, let's do it.
Private video, not share.
We're all friends now. We have to do this once a week.
On the beach.
Right, I'm going to put this video
Where see
away
the
now
moon.
because I cannot eat and film with my hands.
Yeah,
Because
Why do you put it on me on the part that I don't know at all?
to the wind of change. Please subscribe. What is your
duosdream.
Duosdream.
yeah? Because in Amed is very special place for snorkeling and grill fish. Anything you can do, whatever you want here. Yes.
We
Please.
love Amed.
You love Amed. I love Amed too.
We all love Amed.
jangan lupa like dan subscribe.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed exploring Amed with us. If you want a really local experience, you have to hit up Wayan. He showed us the best places today in this video. So,
Please like, comment and subscribe.
he done that well, didn't he? You heard him guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and we will see you in the next one.